demonstrate the code for the farmer-friendly website. So it is generally an online platform created to assist and empower farmers by providing essential information, tools, and resources to enhance their agricultural practices. This website is built using HTML, CSS, JavaScript, node.js, and firebase. The purpose of this project is to create a website that serves as an information hub for farmers, offering them the knowledge, tools, and community support they need to enhance their agricultural practices. The website's scope includes providing information and resources related to crop management, weather updates, market prices, pest and disease control, agricultural guides, and expert consultation. So, generally, the introduction is that we start with the basic structure of an HTML document. You can see the doc type declaration, which defines the document type. The document is enclosed with the HTML head and body elements. The meta tag helps with character encoding and viewport settings for a responsive design. Page title and page title and so we can see here this is the title for our website. So as we can see, this is the title of our website. The page title is set using the title element. We have also included an external style sheet from a content delivery network to access font awesome icons, which we will use for various elements in our page. Styling. You will notice that we have applied styling using both inline CSS and internal style elements. These styles are used to control the visual appearances of the page, including the navigation bar, logo, and image. And this is the navigation bar. We can see the nav element starting here and it is closing here. Our website features a navigation bar which includes a logo and various menu items. What's interesting is that it's designed to be responsive, meaning it adjusts its appearance on smaller screen for a better user experience. And then the image slideshow. We have included an image slideshow using JavaScript at the rate keyframes. The CSS rule helps create a fading effect when the image transition. This add dynamic element to the page. And the content selection. Uh, this is the content section. The content section include the text that emphasizes the importance of agriculture. It discusses the significance of farming and its roles in our lives. We have used headings and paragraphs so to format the structure of the content. And the additional section, we have also additional sections such as heading and links to the season wise and soil type. This can be linked to other relevant pages on the website. And the footer, the footer generally provides the contact information and social media icons. These icons in this example are placeholders but can be linked to your actual social media accounts. And then JavaScript. JavaScript is used for image slideshow and the logout button. Clicking on the logout button will take the user back to the previous page. And the responsive design. Lately, our website is designed to be responsive. It adapts to various screen sizes, making it mobile friendly for users on different devices. The overall theme of this web page is centered around responding, empowering, and providing the resources to farmers and agriculturists. So this is the node.js code that set up a basic server using express.js framework and integrates Firestore Firebase for user authentication. It appears to be a simplified user sign up and login system for a web application. So first is importing and middleware setup. The code starts by importing necessary modules and libraries including express.js, password hash, body parser, and Firestore Firebase. It sets up Express configures middleware to handle JSON and the URL encoded data, and serves static files from a public directory. And the route. So this route responds to the root URL and sends the startout HTML page as a responsive. It appears to be the landing page of the web application. and the sign up route. This route handles user registration. It checks if a user with the provided email or username already exists in the Firestore database. It uses Firestore where and get method to query the data collection for existing records with matching email or username. If a matching record is found, it sends a message indicating that the account is already exists. And the login route. This route handles user login. It queries the Firestore database user data collection to find a user with the provided username. It then iterates through the result and checks if the provided password matches the stored hashed password using the password hash library. And the server start. This code listens on port 5000. Generally, we can use any number for incoming HTTP requests, effectively starting the server. So whatever the port number we have given in the node.js document, so by typing it into the Google, we can redirect to the web page. So here it is asking for login or sign up. Now we will giving sign up. So now entering a username, email address. So email has to be at the rate is necessary, and the password. After signing up, it will redirect it to the login. So that means this is not already stored account. So after logging into the same details, we can redirect it to the farmer friendly app. You can see this is the user interface and this is the website of the farmers. Here we can see different navigations and different animations. This is the crop guide page, purchase, weather, and agriculturists, and the home. So this is the general UI of the web page. By clicking on the season buys, so that is more details. Farmer can know more details by clicking on the both too. So season wise we can see Kharif crops and Rabi crops and Jaid crops in the website. So it helps farmers to know about different types of crops. We can see and entering into the soil type, it will give the types of crops that will grow in the black soil like that, and the crop guide. This page gives the what type of crop needs what type of care protection, what type of fertilizers, what is the life cycle. Oh, it will give that information. And this is the rice cultivation, it will giving the uh, growth cycles and different fertilizers we can use in the page. So in this crop, this is the page of the crop guide. And next coming into the purchase, so this enables the farmers to buy different types of fertilizers, pesticides and seeds. By knowing the present stock price, we can see we'll buy different pesticides here. By entering into the pesticide name, we can know what are the types of pesticides present in there, and the search bar we use it is to is will be working properly and giving the type and giving the name of the fertilizer by entering into the search bar. So it is also adding into the cart. We can add to cart different types of pesticides, and with pesticides we can also pay by clicking the pay now button. We have to give the address to delivery, where to delivery the farming, these type of farming details like that. So we have to give the delivery address, payment method. By clicking submit, our total amount we have to pay will be executed. For this we have written the node.js and js javascript code. So that's why this is working properly. By clicking on the weather, by using the weather API, it gives the weather information in the cities. So we can see by entering a city name and then submitting it will give the weather condition present in that city, and then the agriculturists. It allows us to consult the different types of agriculturists present in India. Also we can enroll as a new agriculturist. We can help other farmers by involving in this website. We can enroll as a new agriculturist here. So this is the web farm this is farmer a website of a farmer friendly, which enables the farmers to know different types of resources, tools, purchases techniques and pesticides present in the current market. So this is all about, by clicking the logout button, we can see it is entering into the starting page, and this is the firestore database page, where we can see we are storing the information of the user, including the password hashing. So it is very important to secure the details of the email. So by using password hashing, we can secure the password details and user details of the users.